Hey, Mom. I got a question for you. Hey guys, CR Parsons here, cooking during Corona. See, I'm not used to saying beer names around my mom.
That's right.
Okay, this is a quick hit, another quick hit. I've got a question for you. Let's say you have a smart aleck living in the house, just for the sake of argument. And that smart aleck has taken your container of boiled eggs and added some raw eggs. What do you do? How do you know?
I don't know.
I mean, can you tell by the weight?
Well, let me see.
Can you tell by the size? Can you shake them and tell? What can you do without making a mess?
I'm not sure I know how to figure that out.
So if I told you you had to crush one of these, you wouldn't have a clue what to do, would you?
No.
Well, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to tell if you've got boiled eggs or raw eggs if somebody happens to put them in the same container. You ready?
Okay.
You take an egg. See, now I'm scared because she has no clue what's coming. You take an egg, put it on the table, and spin it.
Okay.
Then stop it. Well, if you can stop it. Let's try that again. Spin it, stop it, and watch what it does.
It keeps moving.
And it's moving back and forth. But let's try this one. If I take this egg and I spin it, well, let's try that again.
I'll just keep this one.
Spin it, stop it. Notice how it keeps spinning?
It keeps spinning too.
Well, it spins. That one just rocked back and forth.
Oh, okay.
That's how you know. See, the inside of a raw egg is still liquidy.
Right.
So when you spin it, the liquid inside spins, and then you stop it,
It keeps
and the liquid is still spinning.
moving.
Due to one of those laws of physics that I can never remember. The inside of a boiled egg is hard. So you spin it, stop it, it will not continue to spin, and you're safe to crush it.
Oh, wow.
Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe wherever that stuff is. Thank you guys for joining me for these things. I've had a lot of fun doing them. This is my real mother, Leah McNichol. She's usually behind the camera for me, but this time I put her in front of the camera with no warning.
Can I eat now?
Yes, you can eat your toast now.